How to log out Viber on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log out of Viber on your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you want to log out of your Viber application on a PC, here is what you need to do. From the Viber home screen, you simply have to click on the settings icon, the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. And after clicking on that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, select Privacy and Security. From there, you simply have to scroll down a little until you see the option labeled Deactivate Viber on desktop. You simply have to click on Deactivate button. Keep in mind that deactivating Viber on your desktop will delete your conversation history and app data from your history. However, your conversation history will be still available on any other device where you have logged in into your Viber. And with this, again, click on Deactivate button to confirm your action. And once you click on Deactivate, you will be logged out of your Viber on your PC. And to log back in, simply scan the QR code on your PC screen using your Viber app on another logged in device. And that's how it's done. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.